Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable Passkey on the Tinder account. First thing is open up, sign into your account or log into your Tinder account using your credentials. Then the next thing you do is click on sign in and security settings. Now we want to enable Passkey. So you can see Passkey here. It's not registered. You click on edit. And now with a Passkey you can securely sign into your account without using your password. But please avoid using passkeys on devices you share with others. To learn more about Passkey, click the page below for details, which is here. So you cannot use a Passkey to sign in from this device. I can't use a Passkey, but if you can, you just simply click on register a new Passkey. It's as simple as that. Now you may be wondering why I can't. Let's find out. Click on about Passkeys. So let's find out why my PC cannot use a Passkey. Alright, because of each country and regional website of Nintendo is governed by its own privacy policy. So I have to familiarize myself with the privacy policy of each Nintendo website I visit. So the one I'm using right now doesn't allow me to register a passkey. Is that so? Let's find out. Let's see other countries. So let's see. Here we go. Is Nigeria there? That's why Nigeria is not there. That is why I cannot do that. But if your country is there, you'll be able to register your passkey. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.